You know, I had a vision, but that's exceeded.
You had a vision?
For what I was thinking. That is absolutely next level. Wow.
Right guys, today at Enkahnz HQ we've got a brand new Defender 110 that's been dropped off for a full Baragzai Falcon Expedition Pack. When this car came in, it was a stock Defender 110 and it needed a lot of work. Don't get me wrong, it does look like a very nice car from factory, but it does need a lot of work to get it to look something like this. Check out this monster. The boys have not messed around with this car, they've got cracked on with it, and now this car looks like an absolute tank. We fitted this car with the wide arches. This is the second car that we fitted these arches on. The first car was Andrew's car. Big shout out to Andrew from Manchester.
Oh my God. That is amazing. That is incredible. It's not the same car. Oh, look at the back.
And now Chris has also gone for the same wide arches. And this car will be a Panda spec, so it'll be black and white. So all the trims, accents and body components on this vehicle will be gloss black, and they will really stand out from the white paintwork on this vehicle. Let's give Chris a quick FaceTime call and show him what the current updates are. Yes, Chris, how are we doing, mate?
Good, pal, good.
You on holiday?
Yes,
which part?
Tenerife, mate.
Oh, nice, nice. You enjoying the weather?
Yes, it's lovely. This is my view at the minute.
Go on, show us your view. Oh, wow, that looks beautiful. I wish I was there. Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's doom and gloom over here, mate. It's raining. It's miserable. But let me brighten up your day. Have a look at this, Chris. We're on with it, mate.
Look at that, wow.
We're on with it, pal. We're almost there. That's the front apron. I've got the rest of the parts over here. That's your new bonnet. We've painted that in black. And then we've got the big, beefy arches on there.
Yes.
Calipers in red.
Oh, it looks like you're going to be on target, mate. That's right.
Yep, we're smashing it out. Got all the boys on this car. Light bars there. Side steps. Storage box. Ladder.
Yes.
Roof spoiler, and then check out that beefy back apron with the quad exhaust.
Oh my God, that's awesome. Exhaust bonnet. Yeah.
So far, so good. Enjoy your holiday, pal, and we'll catch up soon.
Yes. Top man. Thank you very much for that, man.
No worries. Take care, Chris. Have a good one.
See you soon, mate.
Cheers,
Bye.
mate. Right, there you have it, guys. Chris is buzzing. He's enjoying his time out in Tenerife, and when he comes back, we've got this bad boy ready for Chris, so stay tuned. Right guys, we've got Simon from Bingley here to collect his Defender 110. How's it going, Simon?
Yeah, good, thanks.
How long have you had this Defender then?
About a month.
A month?
Yeah.
And what made you buy this Defender?
Just for the looks, really. Commercial for his work.
Yeah.
But yeah, just for the looks, but just wanted to beef it up a bit. And
beef it up a bit?
Yeah.
So when you were looking online and stuff to buy this Defender, were you looking for this particular colour or this combo, or did you just like the look of it?
Just like the look of it, to be honest, but obviously like your bits of kit and what you do with stuff, so thought I'd add them little touches.
Fair enough, fair enough. So Simon came down to customise this Defender. Originally the bonnet was white, and now we've just fitted the car with an SVR style bonnet. You can see it's got these vents in there, adds a lot of aggression on there, and we've also fitted the original bonnet vents back onto the bonnet. And then the main transformation has happened around the back of this Defender. Simon is the first customer to get this rear bumper with these style exhaust tips. So it's the first one and the first of many. It looks very, very aggressive, and he's got the square style exhaust tips in gloss black. And it looks quite nice, Simon. It's a Panda spec Defender.
Panda spec.
Black and white. And what do you think?
Yeah, I love it.
Happy?
Loads more aggression to the rear end. Yeah, it looks ace, yeah.
And then we've also painted these rear plastic trims as well. They were originally white, but I thought it needs to break it off a bit more and make it flow, so you can see it flows all nicely with the back bumper into the arches and then into them pillars over there. We've also added these tinted light covers as well, and we've modified your original arches.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if you noticed or not, but we've modified them, and now you can see the kind of flow into the back bumper, and it looks like it's all kind of one piece.
Yeah, it looks sweet.
Happy?
Yeah, very happy.
For all the viewers out there, Simon, a lot of the people watching the videos, they're always intrigued to know who the man is behind the car or who the person is. So what do you do for work, Simon?
I've got a construction company, Top Spec Joinery and Construction.
Where can they find you?
We're based in Shipley, Bradford.
Shipley. Okay, nice.
So you can find us website or Facebook.
And how long have you been doing it?
14 year.
14 years.
Top Spec's been going, yeah.
So are you a jack of all trades?
I'm a joiner by trade.
Are you a joiner by trade?
Yeah, sort of just try and run the show now and let the lads do it.
Nice.
Not today, I'm a bit muck like, but
Are you hands-on today?
hands-on today.
Hands-on today, very good. At least you're getting your hands dirty as well and you're cracking on. Fair enough. So Simon's a regular customer of ours. He's been to us before in the past. You had some majestic wheels as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
A Range Rover Sport, was it?
SVR, yeah.
SVR, I think that was before my time.
Two of them, a white and then a black one, yeah.
Nice. Anyway, Simon, pleasure doing business with you, mate.
You too, thank you.
All the best, and enjoy your fully customised Defender 110.
Yep.
Sorted.
Sorted, thank you.
Take care, mate. Have a safe journey.
Cheers.
So there you have it, the Defender 110 is fully customised. What an absolute tank, and it is fully customised and transformed. And you're probably thinking, where are we? Well, we're currently in a secret location, and we are in and amongst all these crates, and what a nice scenic location this is. And check out this photo shoot and video shoot that we will be doing very shortly on this vehicle to showcase the full Barrack's Eye Falcon body kit, wheels, expedition package. So Chris is currently en route. I reckon he should be here in about 15 minutes, but I thought before he arrives, let's quickly do a nice photo and video shoot for him as well and showcase this vehicle. Right, that's the photo shoot and video shoot all done. Let's head back to the showroom and see Chris. Chris is back with a bang. How many years has it been since you last customised your previous Range Rover?
It was about just over 4 years ago when we did the
4 years ago.
Range Rover Sport, yeah.
Do you remember who you dealt with?
It was yourself.
Was it me?
Yes, you was around, you were a little bit younger then and stuff like that.
I don't
you know.
actually remember, believe it or not. Normally I'm very good with remembering customers.
Maybe I've seen you that much actually on social media that I thought it was you, but I'm pretty sure you was here. But most of the other crew, it was same people who I dealt with.
Same people.
So, yeah.
Fair enough, fair enough. And that was a nice conversion. I think you sent me a few pictures of it, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
And now, Chris, you've sold that car?
Yes, yeah, it was time, as you know, market dropped out a little bit with them Range Rovers, so it was time to move on. And I needed something else that was just gonna get that same kind of vibe, that street presence where you know, you want to be driving down a bit, don't you? And just
100%.
be like, wow, look at that. So,
Yeah. Okay.
So I thought, you know what? I know where to go and I need where to get that done.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd give you guys a call and hopefully, I've not seen it yet, but hopefully I'm going to be one happy chappy.
100%, I think it's going to exceed your expectations. But what made you buy a Defender? Why did you want to buy a Defender?
So I think Basically, just seeing them around. When they first come out, I was a bit unsure about them, to be honest. And then I thought, you know what, they are quite a nice car. And I seen one that's got kitted up a bit.
Yeah.
And I thought, you know what, if I could have one that looks kind of like that or better, I think that might be the car for me. So I spent a lot of time scanning, you know, as you do. I'm scanning. I wanted one all kitted up, all ready to go. And I just couldn't find the right one. So
you were looking, originally you were looking for one already kitted up?
Yeah, so I thought, you know what, saving it, because I'm a busy man and stuff with business, and I thought, to save some time and hassle, I'll just buy one all ready to go and just drive away. And it was just so difficult, so I thought, wait a minute, obviously these guys are the people to do it, and I've seen your social media, seen the TikTok when you did the last one, I thought, that is me. Yeah. So I thought, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy the best spec diesel Defender you can get. Looks box standard, so it's getting boring. And I thought, I'm going to bring it to you guys and let's see what we can do.
Fair play. Nice colour.
Yeah.
White.
Yes.
Different. And you've smashed it with the selection of this car. You've gone all out. It looks like a tank, a beast. And I like your little creativity as well, where you use ChatGPT to see what the car would look like with a black bonnet. So we stuck a black bonnet on there, and it does look mega. It looks apart. So you know what? We've done a nice photo shoot and a video shoot on this car as well. And let's head straight into the showroom and do the review.
Oh my God. Wow. Wow.
What do you think, mate?
Oh,
nice.
Mate. Oh my days. Wow.
You need to stand right here, Chris, right here.
You know, I had a vision, but that's exceeded.
You had a vision?
By far what I was thinking. That is absolutely next level. Wow.
It is the next level. It is the next level.
Oh my days.
Good choice. Very good choice on the bonnet.
I did a poll among some family members and I put black or white, and the majority vote was actually white.
Oh, was it?
But I went with my own instincts. I thought, you know what? It just feels right, and now, without a shadow of a doubt, that is just amazing.
Looks beefy, looks aggressive, looks monstrous actually.
I just can't believe it.
SVR style bonnet, bonnet vents, front apron, wide arches, massive arches, got the side vents, got the light bar as well, storage box, side steps. Check out these tyres, Chris. Big MT tyres, calipers, red calipers, wheels. Right. Let's go to the back of this car. This is where it gets even beefier. Rear roof spoiler, custom Barrack's Eye wheel cover, the shield, rear bumper with the quad exhaust tips.
Mate.
You got a ladder here as well.
Unbelievable, absolutely unreal.
Think anyone in Skegness has got a Defender like this?
Absolutely not. I don't think there's nowhere in UK that has, have they? Wow.
The first one in the Panda spec with these arches.
How is it the same vehicle? Do you know what I mean? I had a vision. And this is the vision. This is just unbelievable. Wow.
Happy?
I'm more than happy, mate. Thank you so much.
Anytime, Chris. Anytime, brother.
Thank you.
Anytime. Make sure you take good care of it. Make sure you keep it this clean, because this car does need cleaning quite a lot.
It's just unreal. I just can't believe it.
We've had a nice little fly mesh on there as well to tint it out a little bit. So make sure you turn that off. Don't forget to turn it off. And yeah, that's where the switch is for the light bar. Nice little show light bar. Don't have it on all the time when it's sunny, just for show. Few little things that you probably didn't know about that I've just added on top. For example, it's got some spacers on there. So I thought bring the wheels out a little bit more. Without the spacers, they would have been a bit more tucked in. So just giving it that aggressive stance. And then obviously you've got the wider arches on there and the full shebang. You've gone for everything. You've literally got everything on this car.
It's absolutely unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Worth the wait?
Worth the wait, my mate, worth the wait. So glad I did it this way now.
Yeah.
You know, some people are a bit lazy. I can be a bit lazy, but this is by far worth the wait.
So for all the viewers out there watching and appreciating your car, a lot of the viewers, they want to know, the youth especially, they want to know what Chris does. What's the secret recipe?
Secret recipe, just keep grafting, keep seizing opportunities in life.
Yeah.
Don't be scared of taking a risk. and just go for it. Don't ever let anyone hold you back in life. Just go for it. You know, the pub scene's been very good to me.
Have you always been in the pub scene?
No. Builder by trade.
Builder by trade?
Yeah, pub scene for the past like 5 years.
Okay, nice.
It's just expanded and expanded.
Yeah.
And like I say, I think a bit of luck and a bit of hard work has paid off.
Fair play.
And it's been nice. Hence,
very good.
Something
so
like
you've
this.
custom built this then, haven't you?
Yes.
Custom built this. You're a builder by trade, and you've got good taste, good style, and that's why it looks like this, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
All custom, tailor-made to your design, your spec, your style.
Yes.
And now it's a one of one, a bespoke Defender.
One of one.
One of one.
Happy days.
That's a wrap, guys. That's Chris's Defender, fully customised. And if you see this car around Skegness, make sure you give Chris a wave, a smile, and that's it, guys. That's a wrap, and that is the Defender, fully customised.